Bonjour tout le monde, c'est Claire at French in the Midlands. Hello everybody, it's Claire at French in the Midlands. Today we're going to have a bit of fun by looking at some words that are really hard to pronounce. And I have yet to meet a British person who can say any of these properly. Are you ready? So for our first category, I've chosen words that contain IL or ILL, which makes the sound Y, as you may remember from the phonetic lesson. They are notoriously difficult to pronounce. So the first one I've chosen is feuille. Feuille. You've got E, which is the EU, the ILL make the sound Y, and then the E is silent. Feuille. The second one, nouille. Same principle. You've got the nou sound, the Y, and the silent I. Nouille. Cuillère, one of my favorite. It's notoriously awkward. Cuillère. So you've got two E sounds in there. You've got the cui and the Y of hier. Cuillère. Fauteuil. The AU, that makes the sound O. And then whenever you see EUIL, you just say œil. Fauteuil. Œil. Look at that one closely. It's got an O and an E stuck together. This appears in a few French words. And basically you just ignore the O. So œil. Fille. Love this one. It's quite short but difficult. Fille. Vieille. This one's hard. Two I's in it. Vieille. Vieille. So let's go over these again once. Feuille. Nouille. Cuillère, fauteuil, œil, fille, vieille. Let's have a look at some more. Words containing OU. Now, I don't know why, but when there's a OU sound in the middle of a word, British people tend to say O. They tend to completely ignore the OU. OU is not a difficult sound, it's the sound of double O in school. So let's look at the first one, courrier. Courrier. So you see the ER at the end makes the sound E as well, so that's one thing to bear in mind. Cours. Cours. Again, ignore the S, but the OU is a definite OU sound. Coussin. Coussin. Douze. Douze. Mou. Easy this one. Mou. Bout. Even though there's a T on the end, it's silent. Bout. Journal. Now, all I hear normally, it's journal. It's not it's ou. Journal. If you want to sound like a French native, it's all about the vowel, remember. Finally, I've left a few for last. Randomly, this one is a very, very funny one. Tuyau. You'd never guess it sounds like that. Tuyau. Cuisine. Cuisine. Ou. Remember, ignore your H's in French. Ignore your last consonant, which is an X. So ou. So in effect, all you say is OU. O, same thing. Ignore the H, ignore the T. Keep the AU, which makes the sound O. Next one, dehors. Again, you see, an H on its own, ignore. Dehors. Choisir. This one is hard because you've got the sh and the z. Choisir. Choisir. Chaussure. Love that one. Chaussure. Chaussure. O, one of the funny ones as well. Just one letter, like the letter O on its own. O. And finally, I have to add this one up because it's my favorite. Oiseau. It contains all the vowels in French. A, E, I, O, U. Oiseau. And I know you think it should be spelled W-A-S-O, but not in French. It's all about the vowels. For more videos like this one, you can subscribe to my channel, French in the Midlands, or go to my website, frenchinthemidlands.com. À bientôt!